In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print profit loss statement from QuickBooks on phone. If you manage your books on the go, having a clean profit and loss ready to print or share is essential. We'll keep this simple and mobile friendly. Starting from your QuickBooks screen on your phone, head to the navigation and open reports. On some phones, you may need to tap the menu icon first to reveal the left sidebar, then choose reports. This takes you to the full list of reports available in your company file. Next, use the search field at the top of the reports page and type profit and loss. You might also see it referred to as P&L or income statement in some contexts, but the standard name is profit and loss. As soon as it appears in the results, open it. This report summarizes your income and expenses and calculates your net profit for whatever period you choose, so picking the right time frame matters. You'll typically see sections for income, cost of goods sold, expenses, and the bottom line net income, which makes it perfect for quick performance checks and sharing with lenders or accountants. At the top of the report, select your date range. You can choose this month for the current calendar month, last month to review the most recent close month, or this year for year-to-date performance. If you need a specific window, pick custom date and enter exact start and end dates to match things like a fiscal quarter or a project period. After you've made your selection, tap Run Report. This refreshes the numbers so the totals on screen match the period you're analyzing. If you don't see changes immediately, give it a moment. Mobile networks can take a second to update a larger report. A quick sanity check here helps. Confirm the date range shows what you intended before you move on. When the report looks right, it's time to get a printable copy. You have two options on your phone. The quickest is to tap the printer icon to open your device's print dialog and send it to a connected printer. If your phone isn't set up for printing, open the export menu instead and choose export as PDF. Saving a PDF preserves the layout, headings, and totals, which helps avoid cut-off columns or scaling issues. From there, share the PDF to your email or cloud storage, then open it on your computer to print with your usual printer settings. If the preview ever looks cramped, choose landscape orientation or fit to page in the print dialog to keep columns readable. And that's all there is to it. You navigated to reports, searched for profit and loss, chose the exact date range you needed, ran the report, and printed it, either directly or by exporting a PDF and printing from your computer. Thanks for watching, and happy